Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my crafty friends, we're going to be making these embellishments for the Valentine's Day series. I love how this embellishment turned out. It's so pretty. It's really simple to make, and I thought it turned out really pretty. And I love it. I love how these little swans turned out to look. They just look so precious. So let me show you what we did here. Super duper easy. Okay, so we are using cupcake liners, obviously, to create our embellishment. The cupcake liner that I'm using is this beautiful cupcake liner, which I've had for a very long time. I don't really remember where I got this from. It's been a very long time. But I really love the colors on these cupcake liners. I love the stripes on it, or like, you know, just the whole like soft tone to it. So we're going to use a cupcake liner, and we're going to basically fold the cupcake liner in half, like I do with all my cupcake liners. And then you're going to open it up and make the size of your embellishment how you want it to be. And let's put this on the side. So you're going to use either a circle, punch, or make your own if you want. And you're just going to create a circle so we can add it to the center of the cupcake liner. I already have my circle punched out here. I'm using this one that says X and O's. And we're going to add our little embellishment or swan right in front of the circle. This swan that you see here, I got from the sticker pack from the Christmas sticker pack at Michael's. They have these really gorgeous this color. They also have like a nice white color, glittery white swan in here. Let me show you if I can find it. See, they have also like this glittery white one. And so I thought it would be adorable to use the blue one, just to kind of create a nice fun Valentine's Day embellishment. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to use the blue one. It's very sparkly. It's super duper cute. It's adorable. You can't really, I don't know if you can really see it, but it's just really fun. And I love the little crown on the top of the little head. It's just super duper really adorable to use. So what I'm going to do is on the back of my little swan, I'm going to put dimensions because I want my little swan to be lifted up a little bit onto my circle. So let me add this dimension on the back of my little bird or my little swan, and I'm going to add some hot glue because I want her to kind of not fall anywhere and stay where she needs to be, which is right there. That's where I want her to be. That's where I want her to stay. And what we're going to do is we're going to add to her surroundings. We're going to add 2 hearts. The first heart that I'm going to add is this really beautiful shake. I mean, this heart is so adorable. It's like a really adorable, to me, it is like one of the most cutest stickers I've ever seen. It's a little heart, and it has some little beads inside. It's like shaker heart sticker, and it's just adorable. I got this at Hobby Lobby, and they look like this. And they all have little shakers inside, like a little beads inside, and they just shake. They're so cute. I love them. So we're going to use one of these, and we're going to add it on this area over here of the little circle. And then we're going to use another heart that I'm also obsessed about, that I'm going to talk to you about in a few seconds. Let's first add this one over this area right here. Before we do that, I want to add some more dimensions to it because I love that the way the dimension looks on my projects. It just gives it like a nice little lift, and it just makes it look more, I don't know, dimensional, I guess, right? I don't know. It just makes it look more, I don't know, prettier looking to me. Stands out more. So I'm going to add her right in this little corner right here. Just like that. And what I'm going to do is right next to her, I'm going to add another sticker that I am super duper obsessed over, which is this one that I also got at Hobby Lobby. Very, very, very glittery. I am obsessed with this sticker. And so I'm going to add one in this little corner right here that I already have cut out here. And you see there how beautiful this sticker is. So we're going to add the sticker right on this corner right here. We're also going to add some dimension as well. And let's add this beautiful glittery sticker right over this area right here. And that's what you're going to get, guys. To the little swan, I added a cute little bow that I made, and I also added some little like a little bling in the center of the bow, like you see here. See that? A little bow with a little bling right in the center. So let's do that with this one. I have my bow already here that I already made earlier. So I'm going to add this right by the neck area of my little embellishment. I love this embellishment. I think it turned out so pretty. And then to the center of the little bow, we're going to add these amazing, beautiful, little glittery, sparkly, beautiful bling that I got at AC Moore a few years ago. And that's what you're going to get. See that? How beautiful that looks? I'm going to cut out a little bit of my little ribbon. And you should get something that looks like this. You can actually leave this the way it is, like this, if you want. But I'm going to add this to my cupcake liner because I thought it would be awesome to do, and it gives me like a nice little full look to my embellishment. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add some dimensions in the back of this little circle. I'm going to be adding 2. One in this area and one in this area. And then we're going to add some hot glue, glue it to the cupcake liners, and we are done. I really do love how this embellishment turned out. I think the colors are just so beautiful. Unique for a Valentine's Day colors, but I think it works. So we're going to add this right in the center of the cupcake liner. And we're done. And that is how you're going to make this beautiful embellishment. So beautiful. Look how cute these turned out. I love them. They turned out so pretty. You can actually add these to a, you can add them as a cupcake toppers if you want, or you can add them as a little banner. You can add them to a paper clip or even a clothespin if you want. But I thought these turned out absolutely gorgeous. I really love these colors. I'm so obsessed with this heart, this sparkly multicolor heart. I'm loving right now. And I think it just turned out so pretty, so beautiful looking. I hope that you enjoy watching me make these beautiful embellishments. Make sure you thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment. I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, honey bunnies.